With that, let's welcome Evan back for one last thing.
We first created Snapchat as a new way to use the camera for self-expression and communication. From lenses to spectacles, there are so many ways to share your perspective. Today, we're taking the power and the magic of the Snap camera, the spontaneity, the joy, and the freedom to new heights. A new camera to match the limitless potential of your imagination. Meet Pixy, the world's friendliest flying camera. It's a pocket-sized, free-flying sidekick for adventures big and small. Everything you need to capture the spontaneity and fun of the moment from new perspectives is right in the palm of your hand. With the simple tap of a button, Pixy takes flight and joins you on your journey. Set flight paths, Pixy floats, orbits, and follows wherever you lead. Pixy is ready to fly at a moment's notice. There are no controllers, there's no complex setup. Simply set a flight path and let Pixy take it from there, floating above you as it captures photos and videos. And it knows when and where to return, landing gently in the palm of your hand. Wirelessly transfer your aerial snaps to memories after the flight, and take your editing studio on the go. Apply effects like speed ramps, jump cuts, and even 3D bounce to the moments you capture. Then add sounds and lenses before sharing on Stories, Spotlight, or any other platform. Pixy is the perfect new addition to your creative toolbox, helping capture new angles and making every moment fly.
Come fly with me, let's fly. Pack up, let's fly away.
Pixy is available for purchase today in the United States and France while supplies last. Search for Pixy in the Snapchat app or head to pixy.com to learn more. We can't wait to see what you will create on your next flight. We're so grateful for the opportunity to collaborate with such amazing partners, developers, and creators, and we look forward to continuing this incredible journey together. Thank you so much for joining us today.